In the Office of Strategy Planning and Analysis at WSU, one of our objectives was to support strategic planning really broadly across the university. Our team offered strategic planning services, so I went and met with multiple colleges and campuses and actually facilitated planning sessions with them, helping them determine their mission, their vision, their values, their goals, and putting those together in an action-oriented plan. Implementation was always my focus, and so I really helped everyone there. It was exciting work, but we knew that we couldn't reach every level of strategic planning that needed to happen across the institution. And so we created what we called our Strategic Planning Toolkit, which is a set of workbooks that were meant to help walk through the strategic planning process. This was really exciting because it provided that guidance for someone who didn't know how to do strategic planning. Now, the university offered some general courses on strategic planning on how to do it, but what was great about these toolkits and these workbooks is they were tailored to our specific model. And so it was a very valuable resource for people. Things like we had established a set of standards for alignment and planning. And so we could incorporate those in the workbook and say, okay, as you're developing this, keep this in mind because the standards say that you need to have X, Y, Z. And so it really was able to integrate appropriately. We were able to walk them through the model of planning and how it works, how plans integrate at the university, and how they tie together and support one another. It was really exciting to see those workbooks come together.